can actually also share the event directly by email, or use the sign up page and just share the link with the sign up page. But for the sake of this, I'll show you both. So for example, I can invite Sean to the event, and I will invite him as just a regular guest. Otherwise, you can also invite people as speaker and sponsor and even organizer, which all carry a different level of access. So let me just write here, please come, it will be awesome, and then I send my invite. Okay, it says the ticket has been issued and invite sent to Sean. Okay, and here, after you send the ticket, you can still update the access level for different users in case they have different reasons to be changed, such as they paid for a more expensive price or things like that. Okay,